Hello, this is Adam from Metex Corporation. In this short video, I'll be showing you how to transfer the programming of one Walchem W600 controller to another. So, on the right here, we have a controller that's been programmed for a cooling tower, and on the left, we have one that has factory default settings. So, here you can see that we have the settings for connectivity, flow switch, we have our outputs have all been set up and programmed correctly. If you have several controllers that you need to program, it will be very time consuming to have to program them all by hand. So it would be much faster to just take the settings from one and put them onto the other. So we're going to use a USB key. We're going to take the data from here and put it onto here. So I'll just show you on the left here that the outputs are different from the ones on the right hand side over here. So we're going to take our USB, we'll put it into the receptacle on the front of the controller. We're going to go to Config, File Utilities, and go Export User Config File, press the check mark. Once that's done, we'll remove, put it into the next one, and go to Config, File Utilities, Import User Config File, and check mark. Now you wait for it to download and boot up. This can take a couple of minutes. Sometimes when you try to do this import, it won't work correctly. It'll say version not compatible or something like software not compatible. This is because you went from a controller with a higher software version to one with a lower software version. If this happens, then you're going to have to perform a software upgrade on the controller you want to import the file to. So we're just going to wait for this to boot up now. Alright, so you can see that the inputs are identical. You can go to the outputs and see that they're all exactly the same. We can go further in and blow down, for example. You can see that all the set points are the same. So everything here has been copied over to the next controller. So this is pretty convenient because if you have a lot of controllers, then you can simply program it once, then have that file and move it over to every subsequent controller. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 416-240-1920 or visit us at metexcorporation.com.